Hi, what's up you guys? It's your boy Justin Too Fast for you, back again with more Review Mondays. So what I have for you guys today is another addition to my car. So what I have for you guys is the diffuser for my Camry 2020 XSE. Bought it from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. It's really easy to install. They already have 4 pre-holes that's also attached to your car, and then it also has the push screws that's already a part of the car, so you really don't need any extra parts. It does come with 4 extra screws just in case you want to drill it into the car for more security. So the only things you really need is the bumper itself, a flathead screwdriver so you can remove the push tabs already attached to the car, and that's basically it. There's also 3M tape, so there's more security on the car, but it's really easy to install, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. Alright, as you can tell, the 3M tape's right here with the 4 holes. We're going to go underneath the car, and then you'll see the push tabs are right here. Those are going to be the 4 that we take out. And then those are already there, so all we can do is just add the diffuser, and then that's it. So I'll show you guys how to do that. Hi, thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. I hope you guys found it helpful, educational for you guys, so you can install these kind of pieces to your own car. But put your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you guys think of it? I'll also put the link in the description for the product itself, so you guys can quickly find that. Also, don't forget to hit that like and that subscribe button. It really does help out the YouTube channel, helps out my channel, puts it out there like with the YouTube algorithm, and it also helps you find certain material and videos that you would like to see in the near future. So, you know, it's your boy Justin Too Fast for you, so try to keep up. Hi, deuces.